Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the 3ROODQ8 app review to see if it worth using. So let's quickly dive into it to help you decide if this mobile app worth using. So the 3Q8 app is shopping platform that highlights deals and discounts from various Kuwait stores, making it a convenient for users to discover sales, promotions and exclusive offer in one place. It's simple to use, updated regularly, and it saves times by bringing multiple retail deals under a single app. However, the app focus is mostly local. It's not as useful for users outside Kuwait, and product availability can vary sometimes. So in conclusion, the app still worth using if you live in Kuwait and you want to stay updated on the best local discount and store promotions. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.